Hey friends, Dosto, welcome back to TechUnboxPro, and today I'm bringing you the detailed and powerful breakdown of the brand new Nokia 10 Pro 5G, a smartphone that represents Nokia's strongest comeback in years. This device is built for users who love premium design, exceptional performance, and a completely refined flagship experience. So let's dive deep into every major feature without any break. Starting with the design, the Nokia 10 Pro 5G comes with a solid aluminum frame combined with a glossy glass back that feels premium and durable. The build quality is one of the strongest in its class. Nokia has focused on giving this phone a minimalist, modern, and ultra-clean flagship look that instantly catches your attention. The edges are smooth, the camera bump is polished, and the entire device reflects high-level craftsmanship. Moving to the display, the Nokia 10 Pro 5G features a stunning 6.8-inch QHD plus AMOLED panel with a super fluid refresh rate that makes scrolling, gaming, and content viewing incredibly smooth. The screen delivers deeper blacks, sharp details, and excellent brightness levels, making it perfect for outdoor and indoor usage. Whether you're watching movies or editing photos, the display quality feels truly next-gen. Under the hood, Nokia has powered this device with a high-end 5G chipset built to handle heavy tasks with ease. Multitasking becomes effortless, graphic-intensive games run smoothly, and overall system performance feels clean and optimized. The advanced cooling system ensures stable performance even during long sessions of gaming or video recording. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the camera. The Nokia 10 Pro 5G comes with a high-resolution main lens that produces crisp, vibrant, and detailed photos in every condition. Night mode has been significantly improved, giving you brighter and sharper low-light shots. Its zoom performance and video stabilization are far better than previous Nokia models, making it a great option for creators and mobile photographers. Battery performance is equally impressive. The large battery gives all-day usage, and with fast charging support, you can get back to full power quickly. The software experience is clean, close to stock Android, ensuring smooth performance with minimal bloat. Overall, the Nokia 10 Pro 5G stands out as a powerful flagship with premium build, strong cameras, and top-tier performance. If you want more detailed breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to TechUnboxPro for daily premium tech content.